Today I'm here with my mom and we are going to do a 15-minute declutter challenge to see how much we can declutter out of her little utility closet here in 15 minutes.
Yep, should be fun.
The challenge is going to be how we're going to show you in this tiny closet without our bodies being in the way.
This closet has been decluttered at least 2 times already, and it's full again.
Here is the before of this closet, and we are going to see how much we can go through. Do you already have an idea of what you want to declutter out of there? So you can kind of pull out the bins that you know? Or
Yes, I do, because a lot of new stuff has gone into there, the kids' toys and stuff that we decluttered elsewhere. So it's kind of organized, but I do have certain things that I really want to go through.
So since we're trying to keep this within 15 minutes, maybe pull out the areas that you know you want to go through.
Do you want me to pull them out and bring them into the room and you can help me go through?
Yeah, maybe that's easier because that's such a tight closet.
Let me go. Let's see how fast I can go.
Let me set my timer. Hold on here. Start. Go.
I get sidetracked. This is one of those canes. Hurricanes. It hurries. It doesn't
So you don't need that, right?
Well, I am married to an older man. One of the main things I want to get rid of or go through is tablecloths.
Tablecloths.
Cloths. We never have enough tablecloths.
I'll start emptying it out as you
There's one
opening it up.
There's one hanging.
Make sure you check out the full Mega Motivation playlist, which I've linked down below in collaboration with Dawn, the Minimal Mom.
And you know what? I only have a little table that seats 4. I used to have a big table.
Oh wow!
We've downsized.
Well, before I take this out, is this something you want to get rid of?
This is what made me call you to do this. This is an old antique tablecloth that I've decided I want to.
You don't want this.
I'm going to sell it on eBay. So.
Okay, so I'm going to start the pile.
That's the go pile. I know I ask this all the time, but this is a red tablecloth. I don't think you had one last year for Christmas. It's 8 feet long.
I do have a Christmas one.
You do?
You got me one.
Okay.
The one with the snowman on it.
Then I'm going to save.
I'll
save this in the napkins, and then I think these napkins can go.
Okay.
Do you want them?
No.
You don't? Okay.
I don't need them.
This tablecloth we
I feel like this one you're not going to probably use. You think?
Outside, maybe?
But remember, you have all of those other tablecloths, party tablecloths.
I do.
In the party box.
I have a couple of those. Yeah. Okay. I don't need that one then.
Okay.
I think I'll save this. These, if I put a fold-out table too, I would need these too.
Okay. I just have to say, looks very worn out.
Okay, I don't think I've used that.
But it's up to you.
I don't think I've used that for a couple years.
It looks Christmas.
And this one, you know what? This is pretty worn out too.
That looks really worn out.
Okay.
Very faded.
I think you gave this one to me when
Yes.
Okay, I've never used it.
That was our old table, because we had a round table and you have a round table.
Okay.
Going.
All right, so these, I like them. I don't need probably 4 of them.
You have 4 of those?
Well.
With the same pattern?
No, 1, 2, 3 flowers.
Well, pick which pattern you like the best. So you have the more white one.
Kind of springtime.
You have the more yellowy.
Do I have an oval? This is rectangle.
You have the yellow and then you have the white.
Let me see.
Which one do you prefer? This is smaller.
I prefer a rectangle. I mean an oval.
But this is round, I think.
These are both rectangle.
This one's round for when the table's small.
Round. Okay, I need to keep that for when the table's small. That's the only one I have. All right.
Okay.
I know the color.
The color.
The color.
The color just
rust.
Kind of hits you.
The color. It's the only one that actually has the right shape, which is oval. But the color, I haven't used it for.
I haven't seen you use it
for at least a couple years. Okay. Here's a white one with.
That looks very Christmassy. You don't even really use tablecloths either.
Not very often.
Okay. Wow.
What's this?
That's bright.
This is a big yellow square.
Hello, my friend. All right.
Arms for the part. Okay.
Hey, your cane and this combined?
My cane, yeah. I'll be a stylish granny.
Okay. We got some of those pillows up there. You use all those pillows?
Okay, so the thing is we got rid of the phones and the TV and the cable and all that. I saved some phones. I don't have phone. Do I need to keep the phones?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so that's going. Baby blanket. Jinx. We said it at the same time.
Baby blanket. I know, I thought about getting rid of that, so get rid of it.
Should we have another baby?
Yeah, go ahead.
Because we have the blanket.
Go ahead.
So, should we get rid of this?
Yeah.
6 minutes and 41 seconds left.
I have a lot of extension cords.
Let's go through them.
Okay. Someone must have been having a sale on these things because somehow I ended up with 3 of them and they're
keeping this,
they're
right?
brand new. Yes.
Okay, put it in the keep pile. So
these are brand new.
How many of these do you need though?
Probably 1.
They're a little different.
They are?
Well,
Belkin.
this is IKEA. I think IKEA is not as good as the Belkin.
Okay, I'll keep the Belkin one and I'll get rid of these 2.
Okay.
Where's
So
the
keeping?
Is that the go pile over
That's
there?
the go pile over here.
Okay. Got all kinds of extension cords and cords.
Oh my goodness. So how many do you need?
I think I'm gonna get rid of this blue one because I think this is the one that doesn't work half the time.
You don't need this then.
Cable.
Cable.
What's this?
More cable, I think.
What is that?
Ultra
This is some kind of weird.
link. You're not going to use this for
Okay,
anything.
I've never used it.
Watch. She'll be like, "Where's that special cord?"
I know, every time. See, here's another blue one.
What about this?
What is that? Another one of those mystery cords. No, I don't know what it's for.
3 minutes left.
All right, I have a lot of vacuum pieces.
All right.
Okay, trash.
Try this on later on all your.
Okay, I'll try it on them and then I'm gonna
Anything
get.
else in there? 1 minute and 40 seconds left.
I guess I don't need 2 of these. I have a drip coffee maker in there for backup when our Keurig doesn't work, but I probably don't need 2.
Same.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, I'll get rid of that one. He jumped out. All right, I'll keep this one. I don't know.
Well, do you want to keep one or you don't need either of them?
I don't think I need those. I've never used them. They've been in the closet for 5 years
You're not
or
going to put them
so.
on this?
Nah,
Okay.
I don't really think I need those, so those can go.
10 seconds left. Look for something good.
What are these bags?
Okay. Don't need that. What else?
What else?
How about up here? Any of these blankets or pillows? That's it.
Okay, time's
That's
up.
it. Time's up.
One pillow.
Time's up.
One more pillow.
Boop. In 15 minutes, we were able to get rid of 3 pillows, all these cords she doesn't need, extra coffee pot thing, baby blanket, and all of these tablecloths, and that's got tablecloths in it too, and old phone parts. Keeping all those, keeping that, and she still has to go through and check which vacuum parts work with her vacuum. Are you surprised?
Yes, I am. That's amazing. I can't believe we got all that out of there.
Our 15 minutes is up, and that just shows you exactly what you can go through in 15 minutes time. We are actually going to continue on and head upstairs because I think there's a few things that we're going to go through up there.
Yeah.
So you can just keep watching, but that is what we accomplished within the first 15 minutes. So we started by pulling out this bin from underneath her bed, and it's all the art her and I have done for the last, I don't know, 15 years. And a lot of it is just stuff we're never going to do anything with. So we got a big bag of it that we're going to give to the Goodwill. A lot of it is original. And then we've decided for a lot of these, we're going to scan them and sell them on our Etsy store, which I will link down below in case you're interested. But at this point, we want to get rid of this bin because she's had it under this bed here and it's been collecting all kinds of dust and debris, which is actually kind of funny. We forgot it was down there. So we're making some real headway, and this is an additional project to the 15-minute declutter. Do you want to keep these? This one's yours, this one's mine.
Yeah, I don't know, wait, I don't know.
Sometimes you do art just for the fun of doing art. It doesn't necessarily become something. So we got a big pile here to go to the Goodwill or thrift store. All right, how are you feeling about this art declutter?
Well, I'm feeling good that we got it out of here, but there's a big mess and now we have to get rid of it. The next step is getting it out of the house. We've gotten to this point many times before and we just throw it back underneath that bed, and so now we have to actually move it out.
This we're still deciding over here, and this pile is going to be, I guess, photographed and hopefully sold. We're gonna put the originals up too because we just want to move on from them. So for an extra little project here on the side, we've done a lot. All of this is going to be donated. This pile is going to be dealt with, but the whole bin's going. So once we got on the roll of decluttering, we've just been going from area to area, so you can't stop us. 15 minutes is just not enough.
Oh yeah, it's been over an hour so far.
Yeah, but we were able to get quite a lot done in that first 15 minutes on the closet. Thank you so much for joining us today, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. For more decluttering motivation, check out the Mega Motivation playlist, which I've linked down below.